Pam from Australia. How did you go on French art school? I'd just like to preface it with the fact that you've actually been a school teacher in art and you've actually helped to design a curriculum for the government for teaching art in Australia. So how was it turning up for this crazy show in French art school?
Well, I set out to try and change direction and
What did you want to change?
I wanted to change my approach to painting, and I certainly ended up doing that very slowly at first, but in the end I think I've learnt a lot, and and I've now learnt that I've got to paint much more quickly than I have been doing before, and just run with what happens, and
Yeah, so not hanging on to the outcome at the start, working with the big block shapes perhaps.
Yes.
Yeah, so you did this one the other day and it's very beautiful, and then I said to you, how about you do just the vase but you do it in 30 minutes?
Yeah.
And then you produce this, and you did big block shapes. So, really great, testament to the fact that you can. You were the first to finish your diptych. You raced that out in about 3 hours. Which is really unlike you, and you responded to the challenge completely to loosen up and did an awesome job, and we're going to borrow that from you for a little while at French Art School so we can share that with other people for a little while. So fantastic for us. You were saying that flowers aren't your thing, but this isn't a detailed painting, it's about capturing an image and impression. So beautiful on the tones. And the forms as well. So I think you've done awesomely well. You've got a beautiful style on the go there. You can't help but bring through your own handwriting and who you are. And I'd say every one of those paintings is a corker. So well done you, and I'm glad we were able to help.
Thank you for inviting me. I had an absolute ball.
You had fun with all the ladies?
Yes, certainly did.
And all the things we did?
Oh yes, I just love the down south in Nice, and it's a wonderful place to be, and this farmhouse in this little village is just wonderful. It's just
enjoyed it.
Very peaceful. Yeah.
And I hope to see you back here, and having some time at your own pace would be lovely, and you're welcome back here, darling. We'd love to have you. And well done you. Thank you, Pam. It's been an honour.
Thanks.